guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Trunk Club unboxing. I have it right down here. I may as well show you because I do every single time in the introduction. There you go. If you've never tried out Trunk Club, I have a $50 off referral code down in my description box for you. That'll take care of the styling fee and it will get you $50 towards a clothing item that you might end up liking. These boxes average about 11 items that you get to try on and stuff, but sometimes I will add in clothes and accessories because you have the opportunity to add things to your Trunk Club, and sometimes I will take advantage of that. So if you are new here to this channel, I share fashion and styling videos with you every Monday and Friday. So if you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell too so that you can be reminded when I share with you. So if you feel like helping a gal out, like this video, let me know that you enjoyed it, and feel free to comment. I love answering your comments. Feel free to leave them down below. I just need to open this up real quick and then I will move it. So first, you'll get this envelope that has all of your information. It'll have prices and then the return shipping label. All shipping is free, and they do the free UPS pickup at your home, which is what I like doing. This is a sweater from Vero Moda. This is a nice basic color too. I really like it. And it's short sleeves, so this would actually be perfect to be wearing right now. It feels nice and heavy, very weighted, so it does feel like really good quality. This is the short sleeved rib sweater from Vero Moda, size large, and this is $35. That is very reasonable. I'm actually really surprised because this feels a lot more expensive than $35. Something I noticed is that there's a string back here to kind of help give this support on your back. I'm kind of thinking that medium would have been a better size for me, but this actually might be a nice, loose, comfortable fit. I can switch out the sizes if I want to, if I feel like a medium would be better, but let's go see. So this actually fits me better than I was thinking. I did kind of pull it up just because I wanted it to fall in line with these high-waisted jeans. And I really like the puff sleeves. Like, I actually would like it if they were a little bit more dramatic, but I still really like it. We have another top, and this is from Reformation. Oh, this feels so nice. Reformation is definitely known for their sustainable clothing. It has smocked material in the back. It's just a nice basic white shirt, and it does have that a little bit more dramatic of the puff sleeve, which I actually really like. I really like small details on clothes, and this definitely has lots of little details that I can appreciate. This is the Fillmore long sleeve top in size 12. This is $148. Oh wow, I was not expecting that. This is another thing I feel like I could probably have sized down to a 10, but we will see. I'm gonna go try it on. This blouse ended up fitting me perfectly. Like, I feel like this was made for me. I do have a little bit of room up here, but if I wear a bra with like a cup in it, it'll be perfect. I'm just wearing a kind of like a bralette style right now, so I have a little more room. I feel like I can move around in this shirt with ease just because of this smocked material. It's very well placed. I could definitely see myself putting this shirt to good use, so I'm really hoping that it is on sale. So next we have a pair of jeans from AGOLDE again. And this time, they are the size 31, which I changed that in my last Trunk Club because I was having trouble with the jeans. I really like the AGOLDE jeans, but their sizing can be a little bit difficult. But we'll see about these. These actually don't look like a size 31. So let's see how much these are. I know they're going to be more expensive because we are talking about AGOLDE in the style Obscure, and these are $158. So for me, $158 for a pair of jeans, they better be the quality that I'm looking for because I just want that one pair that I'm done and I can wear all the time. But I'm gonna go try these on and see if they're gonna be worth that price tag for me. like if these were a little bit higher, because I feel like it's kind of like not almost high enough. Like it doesn't quite fit all of my bum in there. It is enough stretch, so I felt like I could get them on pretty easily. I really like the style. It's not bad. It's just, it's not comfortable right here. Like I feel like they're kind of sliding down. But I will keep looking and I will keep requesting until I find that right pair. This round, I feel like my stylist really listened to what I asked for, because I specifically asked for a Love Shack fancy dress because having a dress like this would be a dream for me. With that said, let me go ahead and share with you the price. This is the Natasha Ruffle tiered mini dress, size large, Love Shack fancy, and this is $295. But then again, dresses are worth it for me. It's definitely something that I would wear and get a lot of use out of. Detail on here. It's really easy to get in and out of because they have this elastic right here. This one does go longer in the back. It kind of comes up a little bit right here like it does in the front, but then it does drape down in the back. In order to get the back closed, you have little clips. Oops, I just unbuttoned it. I'm gonna be kind of brooding over this one because I really like it. It's very unique and I would love to have something like this in my closet, but I'm gonna have to think about this one for a little bit. This is a blouse from Chelsea. Ooh, it feels really nice. And I love the details that you have on the sleeve. This blouse is a size medium from Chelsea 28. This is $69. It is that sheer material, so you probably would have to wear like a tank top underneath it, or maybe even a bralette with high-waisted pants or something. But yeah, I really like the look of this. So with this top, I did the front tuck. Let me do it untucked so you can see what it looks like. It has like a little bit of that pleated style in the front. And then I really like the detail on the sleeves because it makes it a little bit more dressy. But it's actually a really pretty color. And I feel like you can see it better in the natural lighting. We have a top from Free People. A nice deep red. Yeah, it has like that tie, which I love the ties around the neck right now. And then a nice open back. It's nice and oversized too, so this would be nice to wear with jeans or something like that. This is the Tate floral tunic top, size medium. This is $128. That was a little more expensive than I was thinking. I mean, I guess I should know better since it is Free People. I might see that as worth it once I try it on. I love how simple it is in the front, but you have a huge statement in the back. So even with like leggings, this would look great, but I just had to throw in my driftwood jeans, you know, because I'm enjoying them so much. I do like how it has the split sleeve up here, and that bell sleeve is definitely very boho. Actually, this would probably look really good with a bralette. And it is a bit longer than I was expecting, but I kind of like it. Reformation dress. This dress is a lot more lightweight than I was thinking it was going to be. The thing that I really liked about this one is that it had a huge front slit. This is the Gallon dress in size 10 from Reformation in the style Anastasia, and this is $218. I'm gonna go try this on and see what my final thoughts are going to be. This dress definitely has some dramatic statements, but I really like it. It's really grown on me. So the slit in the front is definitely the statement, and it's just nice and simple neckline, not too much. And then the back is where you get a little bit more of that statement. And then once again, we have this kind of peeking through, but didn't have anything else to work with there. This is the Reformation dress that I was excited about. Ooh, this looks like it might be too big on me though. It's the Helena tie-back midi dress in emerald, size large, and this is $118. Really nice. It's not the material that I was expecting though. I thought it was gonna be like thicker. Well, I mean, it is thick, but it's very soft, very stretchy. I'm surprised, but not in a bad way. But yeah, the color is really pretty. So I'm really glad that the stylist sized up in this dress because I feel like this is a perfect fit. And I feel like this neckline is very unique, especially with the thick straps. And then also the little tie around the waist, and it does come with pockets. I added a pair of high-rise leggings because I desperately need leggings for the winter, and these feel really nice. You know how sometimes they stretch out and then they show your underwear? I hate that problem. They're just the Nordstrom brand, and I got the size large, and these are $29. So I feel like that was reasonable for a nice pair of leggings, and they feel like they have a lot of stretch in them. So these are the leggings, and they are really comfortable. I've been actually very surprised with clothing from the Nordstrom brand because I feel like they're pretty good at their price point, but you're still getting pretty good quality. I definitely do need a pair of leggings as my cozy loungewear. I have a pair of boots that I was very excited about, but these are from the brand Marc Fisher. I love this packaging. It's very simple and sleek. Yes, but I loved the heel. I loved this kind of light brown, more taupe than anything. These are the LULUS pointy toe booty, size 10, Marc Fisher. These are in the wood smoke leather. That is such a good name. These are $189.95. I'm really gonna have to pick and choose with this box. If you've seen any of my most recent videos, you know I've kind of been over wearing those white ankle boots, but I love them. They're so comfortable and really pretty, but it'd be nice to be able to mix them up a little bit, and I know I would get a lot of wear out of these. And then I just want to share 3 bags. I have a nice price range here. So I'm gonna start with the most expensive. This is the one that the stylist picked for me. It's an off-white. I feel like in the camera it looks like white because my lights are reflecting off of it, but it's definitely like an off-white cream color, and it's beautiful. Let me just share with you the price because I was kind of shocked. But some people would rather spend money on a purse than a dress, so I understand. The leather moon bag, one size by the brand Staud, and this is $295. I'm glad I was able to appreciate it in person, and I'm definitely going to use it in my video for today and style it. It's beautifully made. This would definitely be an investment piece for sure. So this is a Nordstrom brand purse, and I really liked the style of this. I like that it has the gold zipper. This is called the Small Diane Crossbody Bag. This is $99. I feel like that's a nice mid price range for purses. Okay, so the last bag is $50, so definitely much more affordable. This is actually something that I need. In fact, let me show you my bag and you'll get an idea of what I'm working with. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is my bag from college. This is what I used to carry my computer around, and I picked this up from American Eagle years ago, and I have used it up. And I loved it because it had the hot pink in there, but I think it's time to move on. What do you think? So that's why I picked up this bag, and I really like how much of a deep brown this is, and I feel like this would be fun to get this time of the year since we're in autumn. This is the reversible faux leather tote and wristlet from Street Level, and I really like that it has cream on the inside. That is definitely a color that I would use in the spring. So now I'm going to go ahead and share with you what I decided to keep. So I just completed the checkout process, and I'm going to share with you what I decided to keep. I'm in a different outfit because it's the next day. Of course, I kept this because I really do need this bag. It ended up being $50. And then I also kept the Nordstrom Go-To high-waist leggings. These ended up being $29. I also kept this Reformation long sleeve top. So I was kind of disappointed because it says here that it's on clearance, $59.97, but it's not on clearance anymore apparently, or maybe they're just sold out of these. I don't know. I tried to request a price match, but I haven't heard back on anything. So hopefully I'll hear back to see if they will give me that back, but I did end up purchasing this for $148, but I know that it's something I will wear a lot, and I can never have too much white in my closet, obviously. And then I also did decide to keep these ankle boots. Shoes are definitely something that I need to invest in more in my closet, but I like investing in the staples. I really wanted to get that dress from Love Shack Fancy, but I decided to save my pennies. That is everything that I decided to keep for this box. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon in my next video.